welcome to Artland and I'm Arunika. Please guys, subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon to get notified about the videos. So guys, today I will show you how to do a silhouette painting. A silhouette painting is the image of a person, animal, it can be any object, it can be any scene. It is represented as a solid shape of a single color. Usually black color is used to paint the silhouette painting to show the shadow on a colorful background, or it can be any single color background. Actually guys, it is better to use the acrylic colors to draw the silhouette painting, because acrylic color dries very quickly, so we can draw over it. So here I have already done the background of the painting, so let's get started.